Good afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us on TMJ4 News at 4. I'm Susan Kim.
And I'm Steve Shamraz. First at 4, two rulings from the Supreme Court today bring major victories for conservatives.
The new right-leaning majority on the High Court issuing decisions on student loan debt forgiveness and gay rights. Chris Wen is in Washington now with the latest.
The Supreme Court handing down a pair of key decisions Friday, ruling 6-3 to block President Joe Biden's plan to cancel an estimated $430 billion in student loan debt.
This relief was so needed, and I know that many people like me are really worried and concerned about their financial wellness and stability moving forward.
The decision is a huge blow to the administration, which aimed to deliver up to $20,000 of relief to millions of struggling borrowers. But the White House confirms the president will keep trying. In the same 6-3 split, the Supreme Court's conservative majority also ruled in favor of a Christian web designer refusing to create websites to celebrate same-sex weddings out of religious objections. The decision is rooted in freedom of speech protections, but critics say it will allow more businesses to discriminate against LGBTQ people.
This sweeping opinion promises to destabilize the public marketplace, enabling and encouraging all types of businesses, not just those who make websites, to have a First Amendment right to refuse customers because of who they are.
The blockbuster rulings follow a tumultuous term for the Roberts Court, which has been under a harsh spotlight over ethics and transparency amid reports about Justice Clarence Thomas's pattern of non-disclosures on financial reports.
If you lack legitimacy, people aren't going to listen to you, and then the decisions you issue don't really matter.
And President Biden just moments ago saying the court got it wrong with its decision on student loans.
The president also said he has a plan B that includes a 12-month on-ramp to repayment if borrowers need it.
I know who student loan borrowers are in this country. So do all you. The couple putting off having a child until they can find their way to deal with their debt. That's who they are. They're a young putting off buying their first home until they can get out from under student loans. Hope on the horizon, thanks to relief that I planned last year. Today's court decision snatches it away from them. I get it.
The president will try again to forgive up to $20,000 in loan debt, this time through a regulatory process. It is a slower way to do it, but has a better chance of standing up to challenges from Republicans. The payment pause is scheduled to end in August. It's been a week of ground-shaking rulings from the Supreme Court. Just yesterday, the court's conservative majority ended affirmative action in college admissions as we know it.
Milwaukee's Common Council today condemning that decision. In a joint statement, the council called it very devastating. Members said affirmative action helped level the playing field for individuals with great minds who might not have otherwise been able to pursue higher education. The statement goes on to read, members are greatly disappointed in the SCOTUS ruling and hope one day soon it is reversed.